Going to make a seafood medley noodles. Melting coconut oil. Saute the garlic. Put in the onion. Saute the onion until it's transparent. Here's my seafood. It's got some shellfish in it, shrimp, squid, and I think that's it. I'm gonna add it next. Black pepper, a dash of black pepper, salt, I have oyster sauce, carrots, cover it with water. Okay, I think it's boiling. Yep, it is. Now I'm going to add the Pancit Canton flour sticks. This is what I bought yesterday at the Asian market. You actually don't need to cook the seafood very long, so you don't have to wait as much as you do when you're using chicken or pork for your meat. Since this is seafood, we are not boiling it longer. It boils, you can add in the noodles. The water will be absorbed by the noodles, so you might have to add boiling water until the noodles are tender. I added a cup more of water because I don't think there was enough liquid in it. Add a little bit more of oyster sauce. I think it needs a little bit more salt. You just go ahead and adjust according to your taste. I think this one needs a little bit more salt. At this point, liquid is gone, so I'm going to need more water because the noodle isn't totally done yet.
You stay down there. Dumb dog itching, so I put some of that carpet powder on.
What?
Dog was itching again, so I put some of that carpet powder on him since we don't have any spray. He can itch. That's almost done, isn't it?
So I added more water because the noodle isn't done yet. Almost. It's getting there, so I'm going to add these celery. And romaine lettuce is not just for salad. I found out I can add it into my stir fry, and I love it because even though it's cooked, it still has a crunchy texture. So I'm adding it to my recipe today. And then you just mix it in until it's wilted. And it should be ready. And that, my dears, is my seafood medley noodles. One dish meal, but you can eat it. We love to eat it with rice. So there it is. My seafood medley Pancit Canton. Recipe is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Let's eat.